What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today we just made some slime, and let's show her. Just show her your slime, Michaela.
Hi, my name is Michaela. I made my slime. I decorated it. You can see, I decorated it. Now my best friend is going to put something in there, another decoration in there, which I really don't want, but you gotta trust your best friends. And which I do not trust her. So let's start.
Alright, I'll let you go into the room, and I'm going to go ahead and add.
How much the things to add? Two things?
Yeah.
Don't add no more. Hey.
Go in the room.
Bye, guys. What the freak?
You do not know how to start killing.
Bye, guys.
Alright. My power is in my hands. She said doesn't add nothing ugly. Slime, y'all. She said don't add nothing ugly in her slime. So, let's add this in her slime. She didn't even add these. No, I'm gonna do red. See, they're like going like red. Hold on. I'm sorry, I don't have no cooking lighting. There's some good lighting. Yeah. But wait. She's gonna have to get mad. Oh, she already put some in there.
And you also can make design on the head these days.
So, I can put as much as I want to. She's about to be so mad at me. A lot going in there. Let's add these. And now we'll put everything up. Nope, almost. I'm thinking of what I should put in. My friend. No, get out. Sorry, she's okay. Y'all, I'm cleaning up now.
Sorry about that. It was just friends. You done?
Nope, I'm cleaning.
She made slime, now she's trying.
Where is chocolate? Fat.
Alicia.
Yep.
Did you get the rest of that?
No, here's mine.
Where you put all my stuff at?
Over there.
Okay.
So I think you're gonna get mad because there's one thing that you said and one thing is left.
So, I was right. I was right. Now I gotta add something in her slime.
No, I said it's because your stuff. Cause you.
Okay, yeah, okay, she right. Okay, yeah.
Did you hit them? Yes. You whooped them?
No.
Alicia.
Okay, bye. She added this to my slime. Yeah.
You gonna tell the truth, right?
Yeah, I tell the truth.
You gonna tell the truth,
Yeah.
right? Did she hit her sister?
Stop! Don't touch it!
I'm not.
No, because she didn't hit them. Because when they was coming out here, and they were trying to tell me what she was fit to put in her slime, and then she didn't hit them, but she pushed them away, and then
That's calling. Is she did like that or she did?
No, I told you let's go.
she was like that.
No, I was telling y'all
She was
like
pushing
that.
y'all like this.
Yeah.
She was pushing y'all like that.
Yeah.
Let me see. That is
So I'm
beautiful.
I'm finna mix it.
Can I see it? No.
I'm finna mix it.
No.
What the freak?
I'm
Put it in
finna
your face now.
I'm finna mix this. Okay.
I'll hold the
1,
camera.
2, 3.
Yeah. You got unlimited what?
Come on.
Huh?
Stop.
How you did that?
Can I help you, best friend? Best friend.
That's all we have for today. So I'll do what you want me to do. I mixed it all up. I did everything you wanted me to do. And also, this is how it looked. I didn't really like it, but this is how it looks. Okay.